Finally, we're able to be ourselves. Have fun. We're able to be ourselves. You're gonna see a lot of messing around, a lot of joking, a lot of mess ups, a lot of me and my brother arguing. A lot of that stuff we usually edit out, so you guys really don't see it. But there's a lot of arguing. Even though I love him, you're my brother, I love you, bro, but it is what it is, right? So we're gonna give a little spin. We're gonna still show you guys the recipes, the cooking. You're gonna see all that, but at the same time, you're gonna see little clips like this of me talking and probably my brother getting pissed off and talking on the camera and, you know, spilling his emotions to you guys. But this is it. Make sure you guys stay tuned. There's a lot of stuff changing. Bro, do I have to wear this apron? It's killing me. Feels like somebody's choking on my neck like that. Killing me. All right, guys, today we're making a very special dish. I absolutely love it. It is chicken curry, spicy chicken curry, that is. Now, if you don't like it spicy, omit the spice. However, this is gonna be absolutely phenomenal. Different ways of making it. This is my take on it. And what I have here is some, I was gonna say cucumber. I have some chicken, chicken thighs. If you want to use breast, by all means, go ahead. This is about 5 or 6 thighs that I've cleaned, I've cut up, I've washed. It's absolutely ready to go. How we're gonna start is like this. Salt it first, couple of pinches, salt, couple of pinches of coarse black pepper. Go ahead and add a teaspoon of curry powder. Now, this is just to marinate the meat. We're gonna also put some spices in with the onion as well. About a teaspoon of turmeric goes in, and about half a teaspoon of paprika goes in. And now we're going to mix, and then we add the oil, right? Because if you add the oil, it's not gonna allow all these spices to penetrate into the chicken. So go ahead and mix this. Give it a nice little mix. Take your neutral oil, 2 tablespoons of oil goes in. Now we're gonna add about a tablespoon of yogurt, plain yogurt. You know what, we might go with 2. No, I think 1's enough.
How did you do it earlier?
Oh, yeah, it's pretty much this way. Same thing. Same process. All right.
Everything is achi chapo.
Achi chapo. Measure it with the eye. All right. I'm going to set this aside. We're going to let it marinate for about 15-20 minutes. While this is marinating, we're going to start with the actual spices and the onion. Bro, do you really measure everything?
Yeah.
Seriously, measure everything. Bring my tape measure so I can tape measure how many inches I'm cutting the onion. So I have about half a white onion.
That's a quarter.
Okay. Quarter. Whatever. You want to measure it? So we're just gonna chop this up. Nothing fancy.
I just realized it's not purple.
Smartass, I swear. Smartass.
So what do you call this? Beige onion or something? Slightly yellow onion?
Creamy colored onion. All right, fire goes on. We're going to add some neutral oil. We're gonna let these onions saute a little bit, and we're gonna add some spices to it. Now what happens is, this is about a 1/4 cup of oil, neutral oil. What happens is when you add the spices to the onions, it just brings out the aroma, the flavors, the oils. Everything that you put in there is gonna pop in the actual dish. Pop, is that right? Pop?
Yeah.
Pop. Bro, you know what I forgot?
Jesus Christ.
The scooper. The...
Oh.
Please.
Never...
Please. He gets so pissed for nothing. I forget, I'm human. Constantly forget. Even though I tell him, no, I'm always ready. I'm not ready. Thank you. Yeah. So how much do you love curry? Or do you not like curry?
It's not my preference.
It's not your preference?
It's not.
So you're not going to eat this today?
I mean, I'll try it.
He's no good for these episodes, I swear, sometimes. All right, so we got this thing going. Onions go in. All right, so while this is cooking, again, look at the chopping because it really doesn't matter. All right, so spices. The key to this dish is, look at all these spices. It's the flavors. It's that wow. When you eat the actual chicken, you're gonna get the pow factor in your palate. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. It's like a symphony of spices cumin, and then you have your paprika, and then you have your curry, and then you have your garlic. They all come together in a nice bowl, a nice dish. This curry powder is hot curry powder. That's how I got it. I'm going to actually lower this a little bit. That's about 2 tablespoons of the hot curry powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, because I want it spicy, again, very spicy, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You smell it yet, bro?
I smell it. It hit me like.
Oh yeah. 1 teaspoon of cumin goes in, and 1 bay leaf. If you want, put 2, put 3, no problem. And also 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. That goes in. Give it a mix. Look at that. That right there is flavor money.
Flavor money?
Flavor money. That doesn't make sense.
That's not, yeah.
Well, you know what I mean.
It's not a saying.
It's not a saying. Well,
I mean,
can we make it a saying?
No. It smells good though.
Yeah, it's powerful. The smell, the aroma we're getting right now is absolutely powerful.
It smells like flavor money, actually.
See? Flavor money. It's a new word now. While this is going, actually, I'm gonna move this over to one side. We're gonna cook the actual chicken in about 5 to 10 minutes. All right. While the onions are going, get another pan, grab a little bit of oil, grab your chicken, let it get hot a little bit, and we're gonna cook this separately.
You know what you should have done is while you were having that one cooked on this side, you should have had that one heating up on that side. Now you're just wasting time.
Crushed.
So that way, when you swapped it, it would have been ready.
Yeah.
And we're not waiting like 5 minutes for this thing to heat up.
I know, true, but I didn't do it. Next time. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add that. I'm not gonna overcrowd it because then the jacuzzi gets too crowded and it's not comfortable. We'll let these linger a little bit, cook them, take them out, and then I'll go ahead and add the rest that's remaining here.
Or you could have just got a bigger pan.
Or I could have just got a bigger pan. Why always have to be a
I feel
smart?
like you gotta run things by me so I can put some sense.
No, because
behind
then we have to label stuff, and then we have to.
No.
I'm not labeling nothing, bro. Well, I could have used a bigger pan.
it. Yeah. Now we're gonna spend double the time to wait for the chicken to cook.
It's okay, it'll be worth it. It'll be delicious. All right, I'm taking this out. Now, it's not 100% cooked, but we're just releasing the flavors. We're getting all those flavors right now. This batch goes in.
I'm not gonna lie, it smells really
I'm telling you, bro. It's an orchestra, I'm telling you. It's just, you're getting everything. All right, for now, I turned off the onions. It's taking a little bit too long, so I don't want to burn the onions, but the flavors are all incorporated over there, and they're just waiting, they're just waiting for the chicken to join the orchestra. That's the wonderful thing about food, bro. It's so just universal. You know, there's not one way. People say, oh, that's not how you make chicken curry. That's not how you make spaghetti. That's not, no. It's universal. Make it your own. I don't know how somebody can say authentic. Things have changed throughout the years, right? You give me a recipe, by the time I pass it down, someone's added more salt. Someone's added a little bit of cumin. Someone's added a little paprika. Someone's added a little bit this. It changes. Onion goes back on, and I'm going to add the garlic.
So why did you add the garlic later so it doesn't burn?
It doesn't burn, it gets bitter.
That goes in.
That goes in. This goes in. Oh man, baby. Look at that. Now, I'm gonna leave that on low. I'm gonna add these little baby potatoes, tomatoes, and of course, ooh, that's a good one.
That was good.
That's like a football throw, bro. And a little bit of jalapeno. These potatoes, slice them in half. Easy peasy. Where I'm always, this knife scares the crap out of me, always. Potatoes in.
I remember the first time you used it.
First time. 1, 2 slices, boom. All right, potatoes are in. Give it a little mix. Tomato, easy peasy. Slice it however you want. It doesn't matter because it's going to dissolve in the actual dish. Or if you don't have tomato, you have canned tomato, or if you have tomato paste, you can use that as well. Do this one. Where'd you go, bro? I'm talking to myself. Oh, there you are. Jalapeno, as if though it's not spicy enough. We're gonna give it another kick. All right, we'll just give this a little mix. Now these tomatoes, you're just gonna see them evaporate. It's gonna create a beautiful sauce, and then we'll come back and we're gonna add some cream to it, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Give it a mix. Start seeing that tomato start breaking down. Same time the potatoes cooking. The chicken's absorbed all the flavors from the spices. Almost half a stick of butter. Why? Because I can. Ooh-wee. Look at that, huh? Oh, myself. All right, the butter is melting. To this, I'm gonna add one more pinch of salt. Why? And actually, I should give it a taste. Make sure all those flavors are correct.
If it's not correct, I'm gonna fire you.
He's gonna fire me. Woo-wee. And wow. Ooh, wow, the hot curry really comes in. Bow. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of water. It's already watery enough, but just a little bit of water because I want it to be nice and watery. And also some heavy cream. If you don't wanna add heavy cream, by all means, it's up to you. A lot of this is preference. About a quarter cup. We'll see how it does. Holy moly. Bro, this with the bed of rice. So I do have a bed of rice that I'm gonna be bringing out shortly. I made it earlier. We're gonna go ahead and accompany this with the rice. All right, so I'm just gonna let this cook down a little bit and we'll come back and we'll be ready to plate. Don't go anywhere. So I have a bunch, just like that with your hand. Grab some cilantro, chop it up, and we're gonna infuse it inside that. That's gonna withdraw everything from the cilantro and it's gonna give it a little beautiful flavor from that rough chop. Scoop in. How good does that look, bro? You're quiet.
Amazing.
Look at that. Oh, you know what I forgot?
Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me.
I swear to God, I'll go get it. I'll go get it.
I don't mind getting it.
You don't know what it is. You know where it is?
What?
Chile de arbol. You know the pantry right here? It's in that container. And then I also forgot the, I'm not gonna say forgot anymore. Also, can you get me the lid for this pan?
Okay, you can go.
The clear-
Where to find it?
Get me like 4 pieces, please. It's gonna be spicy, bro, yeah. Wait, you're scared of spice?
Yeah.
It's just gonna hurt a little bit. God, he complains about everything. I swear. I love him though, he's my brother. What do you do? Yalla, hurry up. He's still looking for it. It's in the pantry, bro, in that box right on the top. Yeah, those. No, not that one. Ay, ay, ay. There's a big one. Right here. This is where we're gonna add choice, preference, and let that cook down. We'll give it another, wow. Jesus.
Not this again.
Give it about another 10 minutes or so. Slow cook it. Go ahead and put the lid, and we'll be right back. All right, so I have the ready-made rice that I had previously done. Then we're gonna take this. Look at that. Wow, look at that.
Look at that, dude. Of course you have to spill.
Of course.
Yeah, looks really good.
That is absolutely beautiful right there. Some cilantro on top. If this isn't making your mouth water, and just for the sake of pissing my brother off, I'm gonna put in some more jalapenos, just like that. There you have it, folks. Nice spicy chicken curry, or curry chicken. Chicken
Chicken curry.
Beautiful. Simple to do. Bunch of spices that you gotta add. That's pretty much all it is, and it's gonna be absolutely phenomenal. I'm gonna go in for that taste. Yeah, so I could eat now? All right, cool. I'm eating, bro. Forget you. All right, here we go, guys. I'm going in. Where are you coming? No, I'm joking. Come inside. Look at that. Where's your spoon? Wow.
Where's the chicken, dude? I didn't see a chicken on your spoon.
Don't worry, I'll grab it right there.
So you actually did make one for me.
Wow.
This is how you. Oh, it's not even a chicken.
Look at the tail. Wow. That is just so comforting.
Freaking bomb.
You get that hit, huh?
Yeah.
Right in the throat, right in the kisser. Bam! That's awesome.
You gonna fix me a plate?
Yeah, is there any left? There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Had a great time doing this. I'm glad you guys joined us. Subscribe. We're on Instagram. We're on TikTok. Obviously, we're on YouTube. Like it, share it. Throw some comments. Make sure they're nice. Don't be a bad boy or a bad girl. Don't be bad. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time. Don't forget to get notified. Ringle-dingle that bell. Did I just go eat? Bro, I'm really gonna go eat. You wanna go eat?
Huh?
I'm gonna eat.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, let's see. Where's your plate? No, bring a plate and then I'll split this in half. Not gonna split it in half. Ooh-wee.
I don't want too much. That's good. Thank you.
Bro, I've been making this for years.
I've never had it.
I don't know, dude. I don't think you really like curry. Because curry is a hit or miss. Not everybody really likes it. Some people, you know, the smell is really strong, but it's phenomenal.
Yeah, it's definitely a strong taste.
Wow. Anything on a bed of rice? Huh. Make sure, if you want to learn how to make it, make sure you watch the episode.
I will. Like the jalapeno. Oh wow.
You're weak.
I'm not a spicy person. I can't handle it. I like the flavor of spices, but not the.
It's not strong.
Hmm?
It's not strong.
It's a little strong for me.
Is it really?
We're just gonna sit here and talk.
I'm just gonna sit here and talk. That's it. Who's gonna clean up?
You?
Always me.